What's up guys, what's going on, and welcome to another video of Ride with Raj. And I'm not actually keeping that well. I had my sinus problem back again due to the weather change, and I had to go through a very big turmoil of a headache, and I'm feeling much better. You guys see that bike right there in that cover? That bike is a classic 500 which I will review. That motorcycle is converted into carburetor. Yes guys, I'll be reviewing a carbureted Royal Enfield 500 Classic. Along with that, I'll be reviewing his exhaust, which is kick-ass. Along with that, I will be reviewing his new handlebar and his seat. So stay tuned for that review for sure. I'm feeling a little better, so I think I'm going to ask him and get that bike on. Well, Yash is installing a BMC air filter in the standard 500, and we are doing that together. So today's video is about that. But before I do that, he's called me around 2 o'clock. We have some time in hand, so I'll go and have a nice filter coffee at Love and Latte. Very low on cash, but that's, I'm sure, happening with everyone, and everyone's facing that. The worst is all ATMs cash is over. So now let's go. Let me take this. Oh man, guys, and one more thing guys, how's my beard coming up? Too much? Yep. And I'm using my selfie stick for the first time. So just about to have coffee, and another 15-20 minutes Yash will meet me at below his building hopefully, and then we'll put the BMC air filter. Alright, reached Yash's building, and his bike is spick and span, as you guys can see. So I found a cafe racer in Yash's building, and it has a different handlebar. Check this out. Yeah, so he's kind of put drag bars. Yeah, that's pretty cool, but changes the whole look of the bike. Then we see a Ninja as well. Wow, your building has great bikes, yeah. Check this Jeep. Check this out. This is what came in the box. This was ordered online. So this costed 4,200. It's actually an Italian brand. So this was ordered from Motor Garage Bangalore, and filter, it's red in color. Comes with the instruction manual and the guarantee limits, okay, which is pretty cool. That's all the box has, and I think a BMC sticker. Oh, check this sticker, it's really cool. This says stop, do not discard. This vehicle is equipped with a lifetime air filter. Yes guys, this is a lifetime air filter. You have to clean it manually. So this will come with oil and a brush to just keep cleaning it that way, but it does not need flushing and all, how the K&N needs. It's pretty light as well. It's not very heavy, and does say BMC made in Italy, as you guys can read. Purely made in Italy. It's meshed, metal meshed, and I think the inside cotton thing, the cotton solution inside looks very high quality. Pretty cool. Yeah, so let's get moving. And why are we installing this? Very simple, to increase the BHP, and obviously to have a better quality air filter. The company which provides the air filter is just very thin paper. Everyone knows about that, so we've decided to go for this. Alright, so we are using the Daska Pana from the toolkit. Alright. It's a very simple process, anyone can do it. So we'll take the washer and the nut, keep it handy, and this is the metal plate which holds the filter, and this is the filter. I'll explain about this later on. Okay, and then let's now put that one. Yeah, it's the same process. Just put this across.
Any cleaning required? No,
No, you can clean it. So very simple. Now I'm putting the filter. Basically the filter. This is the pipe where the air actually comes out from, and this is the filter. So it's a very simple assembly here. The bracket holds it tightly towards the toolbox, and then the air pressure is created here. Okay, make sure that the grid actually goes in the space and the air filter is intact. Okay, you can just touch it and see. Cool. Then we take the washer, same process back. That's your nut. We'll start and see. If there is more air coming from here, that means it's not tightly put, so we'll check that. Okay, now that it looks fine, but we have to make sure, because the grid is fine, exactly same space everywhere, so it looks fine, but we'll start and see if there is any air coming from certain corners. If not, then we'll loosen it again and tighten it. So now it's fitted well, and now let's talk about the old filter a little bit. Alright, so we are now installing Yash's favorite sticker. So putting it right here. There you go. Alright, cool, right? Alright, well, this is the old air filter. This is not a very old bike, it's 6 months old, but still Yash has maintained it as much as possible, but he realized that it's right time to change the air filter, because Yash also discovered that the air filter quality is not that good. If you notice, the plastic on this, alright, is like literally too soft. You know, it's not hard plastic, so it does not hold that much of quality. If you see, the metal mesh used thinner than even a metal sheet. It can just break if I pluck it right now outside. Inside this, they have a paper filter. Alright, what you expect is a cotton gauze or something which is a very advanced material. The filter which we just installed is lifetime. This is not a lifetime filter. This needs to be replaced every year. So Yash thought it's better to put a lifetime filter, put some oil, clean it with a normal brush or a tool, is much better than actually replacing this all the time. Plus, we don't want a lot of impure air to actually pass through and spoil the engine, you know. And if we take care of the engine like that, I think it'll be much better. So now I'm going for a small spin in the building only, so I'm not gearing up with the helmet and everything, because I'm just in the building. Bike's performing real well. Alright, so the short spin in the building was nice. Yes, Yash has serviced the motorcycle and he's put Motul engine oil. He's not put the Royal Enfield oil. Please note, if you give your oil to the Royal Enfield guys, the guarantee of the engine goes away. So you need to be careful doing that. But he still took the risk and did it, because he knows that a refined oil from a company like Motul will not be bad. So he's actually given that. That was quite expensive also. Well, overall, we'll see the BMC performance after some kilometers. We can't actually judge it right now. Maybe a 1,000-kilometer run. We'll open the box again and see how it absorbs the dust and how does it filter it. We'll see the state of. I'm sure it's an Italian brand and BMC is very famous. I'm sure they'll do well, and I really recommend this air filter. And if you really want your bike to be conditioned and maintained well, I think this is one of the best options which is available in the market in India. And the best part is, guys, the delivery just took 2 days. So it's not that it's going to take 15 days shipping and everything. The Bangalore company is doing a great distribution and received it in 2 days with good packing. Nothing was damaged. So pretty good. So the oiling for the permanent filter of BMC needs to be done after 10 to 15,000 kilometers of use. So you can imagine how much dust that filter can hold. If I am riding 10,000 kilometers until that, it's resisting all the impure air to pass through the engine. It's doing a fantastic job. Yes, it's an Italian brand, but it's worth it. It is expensive, but it's once and for all. That's it. We all want to solve problems in one go, and I think that's a very good solution. So Yash is very happy with giving out the paper filter and putting the actual filter in his bike, and he also might get a 2 to 3 bhp more, because he'll get better purity of airflow, and that's what matters for the motorcycle. All right. Yeah, so this was a quick video and a quick change of the air filter, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.